dene ta modene ma da chachimal ma modu shun du san da de shur chewala ane da sholoka sumbadi ma modu ni te da chisi tema to ba disi du keda ge seru gundo ya de da dongye da me ja si de ga ja su bela job sho da di sumbadi de si sholoka sumbadi
Continuing with the explanations, continuing with the explanation on the Mahamudra prayer of aspiration. Sorry? Can't hear? Continuing with the Mahamudra prayer of aspiration, the third verse reads, "Until that is attained, throughout all births or lives, may even the words wrongdoing and suffering be unheard. May we enjoy the splendor of an ocean of happiness and virtue."
다 데려야 람기데 땅을 가서 쉬어나지 제라 소설면 받들래야 람기데 피숨 써버려야 면 받들래야 저 튜모도 튜미 니스에 발래 저 튜모 겨완디네 안에 구시 공부하면 예봐 디시도 안에 미투인초 디바도 동에 게자 미라시 튜조 대화다 가베 벨라 다도로 용화쇼제다 튜모 지 토는 마음 딘디스타 아니 튜모 뭐이 받들이야 아니 스가 시버디 용디가네 스가 시버디 텐저초도 가자 스가 시버마다 쇼로가 시버디.
So, as we were talking about earlier, that in the aspiration, there being the distinction between general and specific. Now, in connection with the specific, and that also that as one treads on the path, the common aspiration or the uncommon aspiration and towards the fulfillment of common and uncommon aspirations. So, in connection with the common wishes or the aspiration on the path is that from now onward, until one has accomplished the realization of the four kayas, and may one be free from all untoward circumstances and obstacles, such as that of wrongdoings and even the very name of suffering. And on the supporting or the favorable side, so that with great joy and happiness and virtue, that one may be able to fulfill the phases or the stages of the path. And this fourth verse of the aspiration indicates the uncommon aspiration, so-called the uncommon aspect of the aspiration.
Tumo mai badalaya ane tenjor chodo tezu shirode shenye sande dambe chuto ne chushi jula pache mache tsero gundu an damje jabar shos to sunche ane ten jik tegen juzu sa milu rinpoche 다 류된 대견 주주 상황 밀류 좀 보지 또 봐다 아니 지금 샘된 대준 시럽다 대봐 아니 개인 계획 신이 상보 상비 중에 아니 지톱 담배기 가서 당화하게 왜 가서 인부로 되게 톱체 엔데달에 지다 주발을 다 수신을 주발에 지나게 바제배마다 되게 가서지 담시에 주배 대상 토야 된제 체면 남자비 말해서
So the uncommon or the particular aspiration, as it's indicated in the 4th verse, acquiring the best leisure and resources, may we have faith, diligence and wisdom, relying upon good spiritual friends and receiving the essence of the instructions, may we practice them properly without obstacle. In all our lives may we practice genuine Dharma. So this constitutes making uncommon or rather specific particular aspiration, and that is given that in order to practice the Dharma one must have the important support of human birth, that also endowed with the so-called the 8 leisures and 10 favorable conditions or prerequisites as far as what is physically favorable, and then in terms of the mind, what is favorable to acquire is that there is a genuine the resource for faith, perseverance, diligence, and intelligence to support. And along with that one has the opportunity to come into contact with the necessary circumstance of encountering spiritual teacher or master, and from such spiritual master one has the opportunity to receive the skillful means of whatever essential instructions, and thus combining all of that, then one would have the ideal opportunity to be able to pursue the practice of Dharma in a very genuine and practical way.
다디 원래 샴리야 룽리 퇴베 미시 집례주 명아 삼베 티즈미나주 kumjungwe ni lu shishin sirap sumge nawa ge ba sho sumje ta delaya ane lam jube de an tejur mi lu pisun soba ta lam jube de pisun soba la ya member de chune ane lam de be toje gi sirap na basum toba la ya member je ba yimare ta delaya tongwar energy töbe sirap lungda jibo töbe sirap töbe 시럽체 아니 니버데는 사베 시럽 고베 시럽체 아니 시럽숨 시럽 숨부데베 가르줄 다 돈하지 시럽숨 로지가 나와라도 개버 주지지 데모람 사비입니다.
So the next verse reads, hearing scriptures and reasoning frees from unknowing. Contemplating the instructions conquers the darkness of doubt. The light of meditation clearly reveals the nature as it is. May the brilliance of the 3 wisdom increase. So, in order to have the basis for treading on the path, the support of the favorable human existence, and then to the vehicle for the path, the favorable human existence. And in order to realize the path, then one should be equipped with the three wisdom. And as it is pointed out, through hearing and developing the wisdom of hearing, and then further more the wisdom of reflection, and then wisdom of meditation or actualization, and so that the joining of the three wisdom can bring about the fulfillment of the realization of the path.
다 간시 배나 지단 두경기 네 시럽대야 지 총중기 시럽지가 연구 말했어. 건주문적으로 되는지 시럽지가 연구 말했어. 다 가르선 두경 배나지 intelligent somewhere better be intelligence to 산다 총부서래. 다 간시 다 간다지 로드 세브르 주에 봐. 다 된데 잠시게 평균 말다 배나지 지den기 메카셰지 템바사부 유데바지 지당하게 지den기 작업해봐 주벌이야 지 템바사부 유데바 이나야야 지 최주베 거래야 하고 대수역에 세부시다 메딩에 템바 미세와 템바 미데바 지용데도와 근데 인두산다 이제 많이 봐 에네 급디 에네 지 시럽데 빵랑 제베 조다지 정규做담배确实的的人具类啊许大当前帮浪给桥啊切过要的帮浪个桥啊切不来呀他是我从不远的不知道西巴三不远的这个评价嘛的这里太阳啊呢特别细了的牛毛吧我写吧是个三百细了的牛毛吧我呢吧是个光百细了的牛毛吧早重庆的区度，他本土把是关起，他那送不能新钱呢，他讲到这，确牛毛确切吧这样子，新军队确实做土把是，新军绝土把是的，新军绝呗，露太阳，这个我重入侵不到的，就推把切入侵不上去的，这卡带入侵不到的，样那这个。被出最忙不来呀，年下前的多些吧，怎么？真的是没吧？他做的那就牛毛被年不来呀，着头呀。他真的都开始不其他差的呀，那就上他推上工作需要他们这，牛毛被年不来呀，七级都年数两个呀的，那么三个月，这年两开始不其他的蛮多生活。
So, here when we're talking about hirab or wisdom, it should be understood in the light of the profundity of the kind of intelligence we are talking about. So, it is not just mere superficial intelligence or worldly intelligence, what you might call being smart and witty about certain things. And but here we're talking about when it comes to the understanding of the Dharma, that one has the clarity of the mind to comprehend and the stability of the mind to be able to retain what one has comprehended. And so then that can lead to what is required here is the know-how in terms of what is it that is harmful and negative to be discarded and what is wholesome to be embraced, and how to go about doing that, and the practical discernment that can support the know-how in terms of abandoning what is unwholesome and embracing what is wholesome. So, obviously, being clever in a worldly sense, or being smart when it comes to going about worldly things is not sufficient. It's not relevant here. And how that is so is that it is through the wisdom of hearing, the so-called the wisdom of hearing, that one must have the knowledge of the workings of conflicting emotions. It is through the wisdom of contemplation or reflection that one is able to decrease the intensity of mental afflictions. And it is through the wisdom of meditation, actual application, that one is able to gradually uproot mental afflictions or neurosis altogether. So that's the kind of the wisdom that with profundity we're talking about. So in that sense that the results of the application of this wisdom in the manner of the practice of the Dharma should affect the taming of one's mind and the bringing about a definite wholesome transformation that in the statement and the state or the outlook of one's mind. Once again, it is not to be misunderstood for just being clever in a worldly context. It doesn't even that simply because one is knowledgeable does not necessarily indicate that wisdom, nor if one is able to, one is eloquent with words, and that itself, that also is not an indication. And even if one is able to give the impression that one is able to sit still for a long period of time, even that is not necessarily an indication that one has embodied the three wisdom. But what would be a real indication is that there is diminishing of conflicting emotions, or that the wisdom that one is embracing counteracts one's conflicting emotions, so that it becomes the real antidote for freeing one of one's mental afflictions.
다 드네마 지도산에 숨버데 추미게라 다 당게디 남지 댄을 멤버치 안 드네다 추미게 남응을 가사데 니버데 에네 가사 남데 또베 탑 시럽을 멤버시 안 드데 숨버데 추미게 남응을 멤버사데래야 다 추바다 텐더베지 시럽 숨 로드게네 강도버 체규 남데 가레스 지와 들려 요나타 들려 가지고 다시 다들 디니 시에도 주구로 다들 순이라면서 시시 다들 뒤니 자도 제도베 구주매베 최다 태버 쇼체지 아다다 실람 제수 실람 제수베 구주매베 남양다바 들려야 아니 가수 라바지요 아지들이 뭐는 능게요입니다.
So, just going back at the vehicle for the path being the precious human existence, and in order to be able to realize the path, the application of the three wisdom, and if one is to ask as to what is to be realized. And then for that is signified by this next verse. The ground is the two truths beyond the extremes of eternalism and nihilism. Through the supreme path of the two accumulations, beyond the extremes of exaggeration and denial, the fruition, the two benefits, beyond the extremes of samsara and nirvana, is attained. May we encounter Dharma free from error and deviation. And so, what is to be realized is the essence of the ground path and fruition, which is completely free of error and deviation.
Ta di jele ya ta shiva nyamde ta sumba di na ga ru de de ta chime ya la mo su de ne ene shiva de de bi chuwa me be nam de nyam so lin ju de ba le ya ta thoma dor di ber ji song ande shu de le ya kom de la len ge ba de ji song na ga le ni thoma ta dor di be ko de dor di be de ba na wa de le ya ene je shi sim gi sa dong su jo la zhong xi cha xin duo xi nian zhu qi jia shi lu lu qi bi zhe ma na jia zhe qi zhe qu gong yun gyu shu shi.
So, in this way, this indicating that the path that one needs to embrace is unmistaken, and the process in which one treads that path. So the general and specifics are explained in the following verses. So the first, beginning with what it is one needs to work on. The ground of purification is the mind's nature, a union of lucidity and emptiness. What purifies is the great Vajra Yoga of Mahamudra. What is purified is the stain of adventitious delusion, is it? May the result of purification, that stainless Dharmakaya, be revealed.
Da de gom de nyam su len ba ta do den ge she ru ni ye be na na ta ge bar sha ba de le ya gom de nyam su len ba de le ya kha su ta ko den dor de ba chi che ko war che an gom de nyam su len ba de le ya an da shi la zhe do che ba ta ye de la ma yin jo go be ne gom de ge la za zhong jue be jo da gom jue be ding da de ba sho ta de de ji ne da gomde nyamse lebe so de ya ene ta tangi silam de sum de ya ba ta gom je sum de ba jar na chi shi di ta tawe de la pa ko ba yin ba ene tawe de la pa ko yin ba ta ene ka su le tawe de la pa ba di ene ma yin be gombe ko ne ene chu xin nyam so le ne ene thar jin sine la dong gom 가서 검대기 가서다 지 검대한테서 얘네 재장니 도배 가서 이제 죄배 보온된 거 봐요. 다들이 뉴스안에 다도는 다금 죄 속이다. 냠슬랜다 가서 검대 냠슬랜다 돌두지 마소나. 이제샤
So how to approach the practice explained generally and more in detail, and that is the next verse indicating and how to understand and how to apply that into practice with the proper perspective. For instance, the verse reads, severing misconception of the ground is certainty of the view. Sustaining that without distraction is the point of meditation. Training in all aspects of meditation is the best action. May we have the confidence of the view, meditation, and action. So here, that through one's practice, and one is to begin to appreciate how the ground path and fruition corresponds with the view, meditation, and action. And so that in terms of the ground, the establishing the proper view, and having established the proper view towards having it become actualized, not just as a view, the experiential insight through whatever phases of Shine and Laktong meditation, and then the bringing about the resourcefulness of the mind, ability, and then how to have that insight, how to live that insight from the point of view of action. So in this way, how the ground path and fruition could correlate or correspond with the view, meditation, and action.
다금 쥐었음 때 양에 가서 뭐 주변에 신 아니 저 남게를 법에 지 가수에데 계절기 내 당보발에 계절기 듣게 되와시 그였음 받는 신 내 당보에 가사들 앞에 계절 냠len차 지두스탄에 들럼을 거라스디 하고 리바제제베 본바르지마 손에 지 지기제라야 안에베 디젤 디포아이다서 거라스 today you matter to can't do to matters at the reason tabam this linear and that delaya tabam choose ne ji was in yaxulen go reso tabam choose ne ji was at the resana and tawa kharim but the gomba kharim but the chever res mu yomares Tawadi Gombare Javares Sunguyomares. Tagum Jesum Kadis Chavinia, the Chanju Tobe Julia, Becasreti Chanju Tobe Julia Nature to draw to Vajita, Energy Tagum Jesum de Yachedo Mason, Nyamsole Ure, soon out in that is.
So, in applying the view, meditation, and action, as I had said on a previous occasion, that when one pursues the practice of the Dharma, one must realize that the Dharma needs to be practiced in a systematic way, the stage by stage, not sort of in a random way or anyhow, any which way that one might prefer to. There's a particular phases or stages of practice. When this one is completed, and it should be followed by the next one, and so on. So in a very systematic, step-by-step way. And at the same time that the purpose of the view, meditation and action is the same. That is not to say view is meditation and meditation is action, they are all same. It's again not to be sort of to misread it that way. That whether you're pursuing from the point of view or from the point of view meditation and action, that it should all be directed towards the realization of complete awakening, towards the achievement of complete awakening. At the same time that they work in a way of combination, that one supporting the other. So it should not be that one in the absence of the other.
Pena dikasa pena sokjue de chacha wimina tambu ju so jun de ka shwe da ji duxie de jung ta ji so jun de gunong be puru su ju gu nyam be duxie de ji dam be de ji duxie ji gu ta ta ye so che ta de yang ne yang do be so jun de gunong de be so jue ben de pena ta di pena de nga ju lu ji se sa 나 더 소주지 군에 아니 양내 양도 아니 디 룩데베 디 세네 아니 디 샤사고 냠바로다 아니 룩샤 심부여 냠바로 아데 상마부 거연지사 아니 양내 다데 공가 지고로다自己 다 니만 지리야고 대마도 진주 매버지 차연지사네 다고베 니버지 랭고로다 안 타마데 대마도 룩샤마도 진주 매버 차연지사한테 제마들에네 그베 라렌 따이고로 와 특히 연구에나 가르쳐는 미신다게 등의 전에는 뭐 드니 가서 제배도야 라랭문에 따리 모르 봐. 드리 두산에 따곰 좀 찾아가지. 아니 미개에 돌아 연초가 네 두산에 아다가서 지 따곰 가서 따와도 건배 민거 따와 좀 시게 따곰과 고쳐요 말았어. 가라서 미개와리네 따곰 서로 찾아와 집에 다네 두산 luksha gom debe gomba di gombe khoshu mares luksha gom dabe luksha ma to thenju mewa chan di gomba di ne gombe ja khoshu wa na so ba luksha sanjo lan luksha gom tema to thenju mewa cha de di gombe phaji khoshu maras tere de ta ne do droj ne do ruzu de ta ngen ne do droj ko ares ta ne do droj ko ares.
So maybe we can also look at it this way, that even when it comes to unwholesome activities, we can in somewhat a similar way attach the idea of view and meditation and action to unwholesome, in connection with unwholesome activities or deeds. And for instance, if one wants to kill an animal, let's say that of a sheep, and so that the intent to kill the sheep would be like the view. And so then when one keep contemplating on that initial wish or intent, and would be like the meditation in terms of the reflection that one would have go into it, and so that if one kills the sheep, then one would have lamb to eat, and lamb is very delicious to eat, and so one goes into it and more, and to the point that at some point that just one is driven by this thought, and one can't, sort of like one is stuck with this thought, which is like meditation or the reflection. And then at that point, all that is left is to act it out. And so, translating into the action, one will either, bring a knife or whatever one will use to kill, or one will have somebody else and to kill. So, resulting into action. So, the point is simply, something is called, labeled as view, and meditation and action is not necessarily anything good or profound. And so, meditating on killing a sheep, reflecting on killing a sheep time and again, I wonder any good result would come out of it. And so, from that point of view, that when one talks about or thinks about the view, meditation, and action, that it must be in tune with what serves the true meaning of that, so that it is essentially purposeful.
Today in Jusane, Tikunzela Dene, and a Tawas doing Jimmy Jibe and a Karsueta, Tawas Jusane and Asusam Jibiaji, Dong Boruchi, Tawa Dong Dombo, Roji, Yinguana Sha, Jam Watch, Tuni Tawasingo, Tawas at in Jimmy. Tawa can you ever in a better Tebe Tawa of Jebi Yimina? Any T. Yabina, Teda. Ti Gombata, Teda Jevi Jaba Nangi Mures. Pena Tuni Tawa Yabina, Tuni Gombata, Tuni Dan Jevi, and Jaba Nangi Mures. The day Dustane, Tawa said in Jimmy G. Kasueta, Tuni Tawaro, Mebo, Kasueta, Tontomburgi, Ingua, Yomaris. They are Jide Yaro with Tawa Summer, Yantabe, Tawas Dustan, energy, Teba. Better Tavala Sobina, Kotawa, Shasha, Jungurva. That name you sane Tebe Tawa Yebina, Tebe Gombata, Tebe, Tebatan Jebe, Jabala Sobatan, Angu in Dusane, that Donatic Tagum Jesum Debe, Rosuchi, by Sonsa Chiburavci, be Casuan Dor deserve Nengaroji, be deserve Chil, and draw out the case of Shira Jimta.
As such, when, for instance, we talk about view, it should not be just simply thought of view from the point of view, the view of emptiness. And when we're talking about a view, it could only refer to that kind of view. Because we can have view in connection with faith or confidence. And so, on the basis of the view concerning faith and confidence, we can have corresponding meditation on faith, and we have also that resulting action in connection with faith. So, again, that view should not be necessarily only thought of as view in the case of emptiness or such, the theoretical concept of such kind. And because even in a worldly context, we can talk in terms of the wholesome view of like wholesome society and action, contemplation and action accordingly. And then we talk about the perfect or pure view and corresponding contemplation or meditation and action accordingly. So in this way, that in essence, that one must have a proper sense of understanding of what it is that defines a view, meditation and action, and particularly in the context of the practice of the Dharma, and thus maneuver or carry out in a way that it serves the intended purpose.
Tadi Jelea and the go Garj Gomyam Selebalea, Tidang Taji. That was it. Count some in the world, the Bena Diva Hasa Doji Chanduma, Doji Chandumia Galia, and a shallow gomye gama mugu gomye gola so ta de sungyo de da ke zum stare de ne dusa da de da cheji be chönyam sile de jebar juyen jinsa de da cheji de do de shi choji da de la ya 통말 ane 가사 gomgi dangbo xianlo yinbe war chögi dangbo marda gomgi dangbo sana zhigorda gomgi dangbo xianlo yinbe tela gomgi dangbo xianlo la zhögös gom dangbo yange de xianlo res tene du sana gom de xianlo la zhögös kare sana da dere ya kazan de lung de injiger ma yuna zhigorda dere jire de ma yuna choskim do de ore de jawa yangen ba marbe jawa go sa ba su da o da jawa yangen ba yimi gomje dang bu me ba singi chi arsa zero da sa ji sa jo da jene kare san da nga so gomji ge ba yine de ji chen di wang de sha ba yimi na an zhe ge ma lai su da tere du sa na chen di nang gi 다 셴바당 마제 이미는 다 제식 바도 지 거랑 지금 냠내로 야고 청부 이미네 양지 천딘 되연라 베지 지 가수에지 자와네 마쳬베 되연라 셴바 마쳬베 이미 인두산에 아니 양지 되연 그 로티니 다 데스데지 가수에지 셈인 아니 자신 깨비네 오즈레 섬선으로 제제 ane ko tendere chen ane jida shuang zhugo nga tende indusane ta gom tende indusane gom ki dabo di dabo jangye no sene ta do chue dabo jangye se chue yinmin sa ji ka shuo ta ko be ji sang sang ro di ka da zo ji sen di nang da xian lo su ma ta de ji ba yi de san da gom ji dabo xian lo le xue ge song.
So now in the actual practice of meditation, probably most of you are familiar with the short lineage prayer, lineage supplication, Doji Changtongma, and there it points out how renunciation is the foot of meditation and the devotion is the head of meditation. As analogy, and so since those are very important points concerning the practice of meditation, so probably if I say something along that line would be maybe appropriate. So in that context, so I think it's in the teaching by Jawa Yangdemba.
No.
And so Yangdemba. And in that it said that the owner of the meditation is revulsion or renunciation. And so leave your meditation in the care of renunciation. So as a caretaker. And because the tendency normally is that if you fail to leave your meditation in the care of renunciation, that is to say, anchored in renunciation, then even if you have some glimpses or some experiences of meditative insight, but since one has not completely experienced uprooting of clinging to worldly existence, that one can become distracted here and there by concerns of this life and worldly interest. And even though there was initially a bit of an experience, but that experience seems to be now fading away, and one is drifting more into the old world of the being caught in the illusion of the reality of worldly outlook. And so in this way, that basically one slips back into where one was previously. So from that point of view, and that it should be meditation should be anchored in renunciation.
The better China, one digit. That is a room, the Satashana Kumana, the Chesa, room the double Seshavina, Tawachi, and Papa Sudi Yachimris. Papa Sudi. And a good Shava Dizar Chinjan. Oh, Nala Papa Sudi Pumeas Goyers. Pume Goch. And a good Shava Kashe. Papa Sudi Pumeas Kaya wrestlers. And the Juranga be put is a passion at the Garavasla. A Jura machine did Tabaji Chen and be the Jebe Kasuta, Shalia with the Tonachana. What's a minute, Laro? Ye catch it, some church him at the catching mess. Lavras that is so Chan and got Takanda, Kaliga, Jing, some church him at the catching mess and Tova, the by long Jenbe. Chantung Shasa say, and girl.
So, maybe to support this, use an example, and the example, the story around it is pretty long, but just to summarize it, that it is said that once one monk went to the meat store and asked for the pig feet, foot, huh? What? Tortoise, yeah. Oh, tortoise, yeah. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay. Tortoise, yeah. Tortoise, yeah. Okay. And so pig, tortoise, turtle, tortoise, yes. Okay, pig, turtles. And so, but he was very specific. He said he, wanted the pig. Yeah, okay, you said okay. Huh? Torting. Oh, torting. Pig tortoise. Pig tortoise without, any hair, any fur? No, hair. Okay. So then the shopkeeper, he said, why you are so fussy, and you can get rid of yourself, And besides, like as a monk, why you should be, so particular about, the meat
Tortoise.
and then and the turtle and
Without hair.
yeah, the hair and all of that. Why are you so particular about it? And as a monk, you shouldn't be. And so, in response, he said, "I practice Dharma with my mind, not with my mouth." So, so the warning, if you would, is that there is the chances of sort of slipping into worldly things like this way. And with more and more excuse, and after that, you'll start eating meat and you'll start drinking, and then you can say, I practice Dharma with my mind, not with my actions, or whatever. And so for that matter, it's very important that it is anchored in the place of renunciation. I think that's the point, driving it back.
다 디젤이야. 곰지 퐁든 순데 인송다. 곰지 퐁든 순데 인송도 산다 곰데고 고戒退啊 곰지 戒退啊了呀 야 권의 권도 배야了呀 네 순데 치고를 라마라 소원데바 초도 주바 인송 나이네 소원데바 사야데 들어가서 지금 미 가서 미주 지지 제대로 담배 라바 테모 잘대바다 안 다나시 지 리포레야 갱엔 되는데바 집에 평교가 많았어 순데 고치고 많았어 순데 원에서도 그러지 거라서나 랑게 룽아 이송래야베 가서다对吧？正常也买不起，就是但让个另外一种别干说他去线下了，总是也买不起去，甚至他们这个团队，那他就那么多工作了呀，赔钱。这产地南道当，产地让对一切个老给这家蛮这个钱呢，我这那你特别去的说大把硬币呢，我的选对样选对是送不来了，选对前边，前年7月주고 그래 선대비 고향 쉬어래서 애들이 주산에 랑도 이체게 거는 소았다 봐이나 아타지 가셔가지고 선대비 된다 배지 지 마람베 가셔에 차바 차가쇼 마라 안에 서주 가셔다지 브리퍼스 서주라가쇼 ngaranyi jibu kuya yonga showas tinge surji manom ta bayina ana majere mise lame chilam nangwa ja yo marte khura ju so be karso rango khan de be che sharan zhe duwa de ju是de mai ba one ji酸的是多ji的酸的过去不ji che kwa na ta ji chen di ge ran zo da chen di nam do chung se me wa de yong si ma de yin bin de chen di ran de yi che be ran de ji dang ran de che de che go re de ran de 가서 코너 좀 되게 삼바 소마르다 randu 코너 좀 되게 삼바 진짜 뭐 이마 아니지 다 됐음도 그래 어다된 들이람 좀 현케도 쓰베 randu 소마르다 다 randu 좀 내네 되레 지당 그미 람진 타수며스 미 접되게 니된 주고레스 민진 되게 아니 현된 주고레스 미 타마데 에네 란데 지부 두지 데데 그랬어 근데 송도가 데네 주산에 에네다 냠설랭게 고 양지 란데 현케도 마세 란데 줍데나 오스도 다 데네 뭐 현케도 써 란데 데데 하자데 최는 게 와샤래 데네 주산 데네 뭐 이베체네 에네데 소아다 버이나 소아데 고쇼르스 딱 한다지 코라 라메기 지 투이다 베지 라메기 투이다 베 전이 라변 로아르 또 수용고에 빈두산 가수지기 라메기 에너지 남다르다 라메 가서 투규의 연된다 가수지기 랑기 규 세투바다 데투바 델라야 타치 가수지기 녀르 침베이네야 대수지기 랑야 라메 투규의 칠업 중녀와 인두산 디균선은 때네 에는 가수 라메기 투규의 남다르다 연된 수충바르 든지기 에너지 삼조르 number tabe thone so tabe ina ande di karcho chilam jungures ma do ji be samjor samalo be lame namdar do yende di jamge do chin debe ji gi ane lamala so tab den lame chilam ju sa kha bashare dan joz nda we nga nye wor da ye nga ran de khona ne shen de khona jungge da ma da.
So now the second important point is what can bring about the continuous enhancement of the practice is supplication, and that supplication to the Lama, and and the prayer to the Lama, and that so here one needs to understand as to what constitutes the kind of prayer that is being spoken out that will bring about the enhancement of the meditation practice. Simply giving the impression that one is expressing a devotion and that one is able to even shed tears and that one is going to some corner and the uttering whatever words that sound very prayerful does not necessarily constitute what is being pointed out as prayer that can bring about the correct and proper enhancement of the meditation. So here, prayer or supplication means that one is able to completely let go of clinging to one's body, speech and mind. That one has no reservation, not even the slightest reservation, to hold back anything in the way of one's body, speech and mind, and being able to offer it completely at the disposal of the benefit of sentient beings and towards the enlightenment of beings, and not tainted by any personal, any worldly interest. And if one is able to make this prayer of letting go of the clinging to one's body, speech and mind completely, and that offer it fully, and then that is the true prayer, true supplication, which can bring about the twofold, the accomplishment or realization of the twofold siddhis, which can bring about the experience of blessings, and therefore it will truly serve as the authentic or the real prayer. And so any other elaborate words and so forth, but that the inward intention is selfish, of rather that not so important worldly concerns, and make prayers so that I make prayers and grant blessings so that my cold may go away, and so that I may have good breakfast, and that grant me blessings through my prayers, so I may sleep well, and so forth. So probably for such things you don't really need blessings. You just do the things that will, make these things happen, and that you wouldn't have to go as far as seeking the blessings of the Lama. So, to the best of one's ability, that the prayer should constitute being able to the complete surrendering of one's body, speech and mind, and to the best of one's ability, being sentient beings in the world. Obviously, one can't be completely free of worldly concerns and interest, but at least the best way I can put is that in fulfilling your personal interest, that others are not hurt, or that others' interests are not completely ignored. And it is also that said that individuals are of different capacities. Those of the highest capacity can fulfill the twofold benefit, personal as well as benefit of others, one's own complete benefit and the complete benefit of others. And those who are of middling capacities can fulfill the benefit of others. Those who are of the lesser capacities can only fulfill that personal interest or worldly benefit pertaining to oneself. And so the idea of prayer supplication is that one's mental outlook that comes closer and closer to the example of the life of one's the Lama that one looks up to, and exemplified by and so in this way inching as closer and closer to the outlook or the mind of the Lama through embodying and through appreciating the liberating activities or the namtar of such great being, and therefore that oneself being the vessel for containing and the blessings in that sense. So in essence, that one's intention and action, must not go against, what it should be in terms of in context with the Dharma, what one's intention and action. So it's not basically not say and think one way and do the opposite, and shouldn't be that way.
다 바지 디네라 참샤나 거서당 라니기 가르자지 쉐라 지두메네 팽게 뇨아이 마라 라니 뇨바 차나 조스데 좀었다 델레 뇨바 마자 고 참샤쇼 참샤쇼다 디린다이 야
Okay, so
so okay, finish it. No need so, just finish it. Okay. Really finished, Sonam de tamche sibanye domne nyebe. Kegam na je balo jubo ye sibe zone jo chanjo samjo rembo ma ge ba ma ge yo je ge ba nya ba ne kone bondo be